Hello. Okay, welcome. See, guys, see, so this is the first step towards the constructions of our architect plan for today, and we got another architect building. Currently, an house, and guys, this house over here currently a house that is designed by Mayemki. Oh, Mayemki, what it guys? These are guys which are dealing with an architect designs. Okay, see here we are. Okay, inside. After that, that was the first process towards the construction of every architect. This is our dining. We have the huge dining. It can be seen. It is a huge dining alongside the kitchen. Now, before moving, let us see what we have. We have these bathrooms. Okay, we have the bathrooms. This can be used. This is our first bathroom. Can be used as a public one. It is a huge bathroom. Okay. Now our architect plan come with a huge bathrooms. Okay. And now we are moving here. We have the rooms. The first bedroom of our house. Okay, guys. This is the first bedroom of house. Our house today has got a 3 bedroom. And both house inside have they have electrical, they have their own bathroom, and it is a huge one compared to others. Okay, see, every rooms on this house come up with its own bathroom. You see, this is our first bedroom, and it come with its own bathrooms, and the room look like this. It's a beautiful. Now we are going to see another room. See, our second room. On the down ground level, we got 2 bedroom, and those bedroom come with their own bathroom inside. See, the rooms come with their own bathroom. So it is a good house, okay, for someone who has more money. See, every house, every rooms come with its own bathroom. Goods and huge rooms. Okay, here you can chill, you and your family live here. If you have the growing kids, they can use this. Also the guest one. And this is the outside door. Okay, this is a door which accessing to the outside. Now we are moving, and we have the parking. See, it is enough for parking only one vehicle, especially the expensive one. We have got this parking. Okay, now we are moving, and this is our front door to take us to the area where we first men enter, and this is a dining hall. As you can see, we have the dining hall, but on the ground level we don't have the living room. The living room we got it when we climb upstairs. Okay, we have only a kitchen and the rooms, and this is the kitchen, the heart of the house. Here is anything that can be cooked over that area. Now we are moving. See the bookshelf, JavaScript. You see that you can read in codings, put your books over here, have some dinner, also watch a TV over here. Okay, guys. Now we are moving, and we are going to see another bedroom. That is a master bedroom and the living room. Okay. Now climb our staircases, which has take the job to take us to the first floor plan. And here we are. Let us send this guy. Our explorer now is here and is moving toward. See, we have this door that can be used. That can access to the master bedroom. We can see later, and here the living. Here you can pay, chill, you and your friend. And there, you see, you can store your Rico, as well as it is a washing area where we put the clothes washing machines, where you can wash your clothes. Now let us see that area. And we have this area the working area. Okay, that is our working area if you are coding, because I love so much coding also, and the buildings to develop architect design. So I want to have a space where I can work, and there you can work without disturbance. Okay, when your wife is cooking, you can work there, and remember she is on the ground and you are on the first floor, the bathroom. See, they're saying that this house is beautiful because it's coming up with more bathroom. The bathroom is the most important things, because if you have many visitors and you have only one bathroom, it will be a messy. If you have more than one, it is good. Okay, so see, like this house has got more bathroom. There is a shared one and there is a unshared, which every room comes with its own bathroom. See, every room, and this is our master bedroom. It is a huge room compared to others, and it comes with a huge bathroom. See, it is a huge room coming up with the huge bathroom, and see the huge room. This is the master bedroom coming up with also this balcony. See, it's coming up with, it is officially balcons, does not share the balcons. See, the one who pays the rent must live in an expensive shade like this. Okay, the good things. So guys, that's how our house looks like. Remember, it is a three bedroom house, and it look like that. If you're interested, just contact us. Remember, we are Miami, the podcast dealing with an architect.